Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix file too large in ElevenLabs. So actually guys, first we'll need to check the ElevenLabs upload limits. So the different plans on ElevenLabs have different limits for the maximum file size and the maximum audio duration. So actually guys, we'll need just to go ahead and click on the profile icon that's located at the top right corner, and after that just go with subscription right here. Okay, and just right here you can check the limit. Okay, so if your file exceeds the limit, you will need to compress, trim, or upgrade your plan. Okay, so let's say that the audio format is the WEV. You will need to convert it to the MP3. Okay, and if it's still large, go with compress. So if you still get the error, you will need at first to clear the browser cache. So just go with the three dots that's located at the top right corner of the browser, and then go with the settings right here, and right now just go and click on privacy and security option on the left hand menu, and now click on delete browsing data and go with delete data. And after doing that, you will be automatically signed out from your account on ElevenLabs. So you will need just to log out and back in, and then just make sure that your internet connection is stable. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.